What's up guys, I'm making this video. It's a follow-up. It's like 7 months later. I'm just doing pretty much another video on the seat covers. So we're gonna start with the driver's side. Pretty much I've only cleaned them probably once with the Chemical Guys leather. It's one of those just clean the seat. Let me put some light on it. I have all the doors open so the lights show through, but let's put more light. I mean, all I gotta say is they're still holding up. I put about, it's been on for 7 months. I use it every single day. Right now the truck has 8,052 miles, and this seat covers have been on here since the truck had like 500 miles. So you could say it's been on here its entire life so far. Have light, I'm just pointing at the most common. This is driver's seat where it gets used every single day. You can see everything's holding up perfect. There's nothing wrong with it, no rips, no tears. It's not sagging or anything. Let me put the lights. Everything's still perfect. Here's the center console. It's still holding up perfect. Nothing wrong with it. Let me open it up. Everything's still good. I mean, this is the most used seat. Again, I drive it every single day. There's nothing wrong with the seat cover. Pretty much I'm showing you where you get in and out, especially here. Every time you get in and out of the truck, this is where you're kind of sliding out. And as you can see, let's go to the passenger. So this is the passenger side, same. This doesn't get used as much, but gets used more than the back ones. So as you can see, it's still holding up. It's in perfect condition. They pretty much look brand new. Again, I haven't cleaned them. I only cleaned them once, and that was about maybe like 2 months ago. And I gotta say, this is how it looks. The same thing. It still has the same play like when it was brand new. Here it settled in a little bit more. Now onto the back ones. The back ones, pretty much I only had people sit in the back a few times. Well, and these ones are gonna be pretty much brand new, you could say. As you can see, same. Everything's still the same. Everything looks brand new. Let's see. Yeah. There's really no play on it, nothing at all. It's a perfect fit, as you can see. Well, let me show you the headrest behind of the passenger. I mean, you see, still the same. It's not loose or anything. Let's see, driver's side, same. Again, this is the rear. This is from the other side. Again, I bought this seat covers. This was not any type of sponsorship, and I just gotta say they're holding up perfect. So I'm just telling you the honest truth of what I see from the seats, the seat covers, and they're perfect. Let's open this one up too, so you can check it out. Everything's still the same as when I put them on. Nothing got loose. Let's see. Everything's still the same. Let's open up the back for this one. This right here is because of my sub, but I mean, even though it hits it, there's no tears or anything on it. So guys, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll reply. Or if you want to see another video, I'll probably make another video like in about a year, maybe a year and a half from now. That's another follow-up. So this is a 7-month follow-up to the car, to the seat covers, and I gotta say they're still in perfect condition. Again, let me show you the driver, which is the one you're gonna use every single time you get in the truck or somebody drives it. Especially when you sit. Again, this is the most, because you're gonna be getting in and out of this area. I don't see a single thing wrong with it. Alright guys, see you on the next one.